Hey guys, welcome back to another video on my channel. If this is your very first time here, hi, welcome to Bear Beauty. Thank you so very much for tuning in. So for this video, I'll be using two polishes. Do not throw away your polishes because it can come to good use. I'll be using some fine glitter, some pretty leaves, and then later down I chose a carnival acrylic that I have for some time now. So I've already applied my tips to my mannequin hand. That is Cindy, she's not a mannequin. Her name is Cindy. So what I'm going to do now is originally in my mind I wanted the French, the 3D French effect on the nail, but I wasn't going to do the entire nail with different colors. So for one of them I was going to do that, and then for the other one I was thinking about, I think I did follow through with what I had in my head, but for the rest of the nails it was a whole different plan. I don't know why I'm saying it as if it's just 4 nails that I have done. But for the ring, for the pinky, that was my thought process for that nail. For the index, that was my thought process. But for the ring and the middle finger was not my thought process. But yeah, you get the drift of where I'm going with this. So if you're new to my channel, hi, welcome to Bear Beauty. Thank you so very much for tuning in. I hope you guys stay. I hope you guys become a part of the family. Join, subscribe. I upload twice a week, every week. So subscribe, turn on your post notifications so you'll get to see videos from me every week. So right now I am polishing the nails into a smile line. So that's my base. And then I'm going to curve it using some acetone, and I'll do this twice just to get the full effect of it. Reason to not throw away your nail polish because it can become of great use. So for 2 nails I'll be doing the smile lines, and then for the other finger I'll be doing a fade ombre. I was attempting a fade ombre, but it was a success. I am really proud of these nails. If you guys know, I'm always proud of my nail because I doubt myself so bad, so hard, and then when the end product is done, you're like, girl, you doubt yourself too bad. You don't have any form of confidence in yourself. And one thing as a nail taker or any profession that you're in, it's good to have confidence within yourself, because if you don't have confidence within yourself, persons won't have confidence in you, so they won't come to your shop, they won't come to any form of business that they have to do. So be confident. I'm working on all of that, so I'm trying to be confident. So I will go in with my glitters because this was a Kiwi nail. As I've showed you at the beginning of what I was going to use, I used some glitter at this. So I applied some base coat gel, and then I applied the glitter to the nail, and then kind of touch. I didn't want and a little fade, so it can look glossy at the tip when I put on the Kiwis. So this part was giving me a little bit of hell because no matter what, I was dipping it into some of the acrylic liquid so it will stick, and then I'll be able to apply. But it was giving me hell. I mean, this part took me a little while. For the whole entire nail, it literally took me probably half an hour to 45 minutes. It wasn't that long. These nails were purchased at my local beauty business. Not my beauty business, but a local business here in Jamaica. And I think I also purchased these fruit things, the fruit decors, from my local beauty business place here in Jamaica. So now I'm going in with some clear just to encapsulate the green, where I created this green smile line. For this part, you have to ensure that the polish is completely dry, quote unquote completely dry, because you know that polish takes at least 20 to 48 hours to dry. But in my case, I kind of had to push things along. So when the end product was done and I was you final top coat, you realize that it had some bubbles in the nail. So you kind of have to get the polish to a point where it's dry enough for you to start doing the application. I thought that I did wait long enough to do this part, but I guess not. The end product proved otherwise. So I'm going to do the ring finger because said I was going to do a ombre. I was going to do a glitter fade. I was going to do a glitter fade on these nails. Then I'll repeat the same process on the other finger, because as I said previously in the previous clips that I will be doing one with polish and the other one with glitter, and I think this set came up pretty well, and I'm loving it. You know, I feel confident. After every video that I have uploaded on my channel here, this type of, you know, level up, this power, like, yeah, you kind of don't need to be confident in yourself. So yeah, so now I'm going in with this Jamaican Carnival. This is from the Fiesta collection from Perfect 10. I have had this for over almost 2 years now, and I mean, it is full because it's obvious that I haven't been using it. Yeah, so this was the perfect set of nails for it to be used. So now I'm going in with some leaves. So I saw this on some Instagram. I purchased like nail decors from her, like polishes from her, all the little beautiful things that I use within my videos. I purchased it from her. I'll probably link her handle into the in the description or on video. I don't know yet, but she was selling these, and I was like, oh, those are so pretty. These are the perfect nails to use them on. So I went in and used them on. I think I didn't use them well, but hey, you never, you know. So, you know, I guys already have the concept of how a 3D fringe will look. So I'm going in with my, what do you call this now? The Eternal, that's the thing, Eternal. This color is, let me see if I can find the color. This color is Vegan. It's a really pretty color, but I had to kind of mix it with a darker green to get the effect that I wanted. So I went in with a darker green and mixed it together. But the only issue right here is that I mixed it with a gel polish and I forgot to cure it. So while I was filing, at the very end, while I was filing, it was there was technical issues, and I somewhat kind of solved the issue. But always remember, if you're mixing with a gel polish, always remember to cure. That was my downfall right here. So yes. So once again, guys, if you're new to this channel, hi, welcome to Bare Beauty. Thank you so very much for tuning in. I hope you guys subscribe and like this video if you like what I post or like what I do. I'm trying to post regularly, but the end result is that I want to post every week, like 2 videos every week. So yeah, so subscribe. Also follow me on all my social medias because I seem to be a little bit more active over there. So yeah, so yes. So now I'm going in with some glitters because I felt like this nail was a little bit bland. So I went in with some of the fine green glitters and just added to the tip, and then I forgot to cure, and then I went in with the clear over the nail. So now I'm about to encapsulate all the nails. So yeah, so this is yeah. Okay, so all the nails are now encapsulated. So these are how they are looking. They're looking really bomb. So now I'm going in with my e-file. I kind of stopped using this e-file for one. It was malfunctioning. I needed a new bit. I just did a new e-file on a whole, but I managed to succeed with this. So yes. So this is how I file my nails. So that's it. So I buff shine. I gave it I use the emery boards to kind of straighten up the lines. Now I'm going in with my top coat to coat these nails, and then I cure, and then I'll be up with the final results. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope you guys like how these nails turned out, because I absolutely am in love with these nails. So if you're new to my channel, once again, hi, welcome to Baby Beauty. Thank you so very much for subscribing or tuning in. I hope you guys subscribe. Turn on your post notification, because I upload twice a week. That's the end goal, but I'm trying to post every day. So thank you so very much for watching. Have an awesome day. Peace. I'm out.